good afternoon to one all present here. I'm Revathi, founder and CEO of RangBio Solutions Private Limited. So we are developing sustainable and eco-friendly natural colors from microbes. So coming to the problem statement, synthetic colors, most of them are made out of toxic petroleum-based chemical sources. They are harsh, toxic, and pollutive. So when they get released as industrial effluents into the water bodies, they pollute the water bodies and nearby the water streams like rivers, lakes, and ponds. And textile and fashion industry is the second most pollutive industry in the world. So what's the solution? So we are developing sustainable and safe to use natural colors from microbes, primarily trying to use them as sustainable textile dyes. So what's the USP? So our product is non-GMO, so we are making these colors out of non-genetically modified microbes. They are natural, eco-friendly, sustainable, non-toxic. And so what we have currently with us, we are an early stage deep tech startup. We are involved in the lab scale production. Lab scale production ranges from 1 to 10 liters. So we are involved in the lab scale production. So we have our high yielding strains of microbes. So that's the key player. So when we go for the industrial level production, so whatever I'm doing in the lab scale, it will be replicable, scalable, and industry viable when you go for the industrial scale level. So we have high yielding strains of microbes, that's a library, and we have the optimized bioprocess development and the low cost feedstocks and purification cost. Since it's a biotech and fermented product, so when we go for the industrial level, 60 to 80% of the money is spent in the downstream process. That's the recovery of the product. So we are trying to cut that, and we are developing a low cost product which exhibits a good techno-economic process, so which is industrially scalable, viable, and reproducible. And coming to the competitive landscape, so globally there are 10 companies who are developing colors from microbes, and most of them have raised tons of millions of money. They are in the pre-production stage. None of them have established the demo scale plant. And plant-based dyes is the only existing natural colors in the market. So when we enter the market, definitely we will be a game changer and disrupt the entire industry. So natural dyes has a very good market. So it is estimated that my dyes market have $10.4 billion. And so coming to the team, so one passionate microbiologist, I'm a microbiologist, and we have 2 biotech experts who are taking this product from the lab, helping us to reach the industrial scale level. And we are trying to get the funding requirement of 2 crores. First thing, to do the bioprocess development. Second, to do the color palette expansion from the existing 3 colors, red, maroon, and yellow, to the 7. And the third thing is to have the dyeing process innovation so that we can go for the reduction in the water level. So our climate potential is that. So when they opt for our natural colors, it will lead to the reduction in the water consumption, reduction in the chemical usage, reduction in the energy usage, and the most important part, it will lead to the global climate impact reduction from 30 to 40%. And I would like to thank everyone for giving me this opportunity to present. Thank you.